Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox stuttering on the application of Roblox. To know how to fix or how to find a solution about Roblox stuttering, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox and you will click. Then in this page here, you will enter to for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you'll find this page, you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You can uninstall your application and you can install your application again to fix your problems. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.